Hello, guys. My name is Zoe, and I'm a doctor. Stay with me today. I'll show you what doctors do and where we work. Okay? Let's go.
First, I brush my teeth and get ready. Doctors need to stay clean and fresh. Next, I pack my doctor bag with important tools: stethoscope, thermometer, bandages, medicine.
I'm ready to help patients now. Now, I go to the hospital. A hospital is a place where sick people come, and we doctors take care of them.
So kids, being a doctor means helping others feel better with care. Stay healthy, be brave, and remember, we're always here to share a smile.